My viewers, Woodmaya, I have nothing to tell you. You've never given us money to do a business.
But did he come here himself?
He has come here over like 5-6 years ago. He has come here 2 times. The day he came here, the next day he also came here. No one fight with him. No one chase him with stone. No one sees his camera. My brother, we are not here for bad name. We are here for good name. We are the chiefs. We are in front of the palace, the chief palace. Most of this place is a highway. We don't know who is passing. So we are not here for bad things. If we are here for bad things, like we run away already. Because we have the police station is just around here. Just 10 to 15 minutes. The Jamestown police station is just around here.
I think because the video went viral, the Ghana Tourism Authority Board came here with Mr. Tourism, Abeku Santana.
In Gamashie, our heritage buildings, it has a lot of tourist attractions because Ghana started from here as well, you know. And because we have a lot of tourist interest here, we also have a number of local gentlemen and women who are self-volunteers. They are tour guides, you know, and we think it is proper to address this situation, but we believe that it is time that we guide them in what they do.
What did they come here? When they met you, what did they say? How did they go?
They also came here because of the same issue. Because the same issue, and they are calling me a scammer. So they want me to explain the reason why they are calling me a scammer. So I explained everything to him, and I showed them what we are doing in the community. They even went to my school and saw what we are doing in the community.
So let's come to the video. The video that was going around, they said you were with a particular man. The man asked you a question. You said, oh, you needed $200 to complete. Can you tell us exactly what happened?
Okay. My viewers, please watch me well and listen to me well. Because what they are saying all, it's not true. The guy arrived and he chose me to work with him. So as we were walking, at first we were supposed to go to the fishing harbor or the fishing village, but the place has been handed to the China, so we can't go there. And during that time, the Chinese are making their construction, so we can't go there. And the person request of like a ghettos or like a wooden structures. I can't take the person to where I'm not living. So I take the person where I have the power to walk around there. So I took him opposite the light, opposite the fire service. Yeah. Opposite, because as this place was demolished, they took the people to the opposite fire service,
which we first call slaughterhouse, right?
Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes. So I took the person over. That is where we were located. So as we were walking, the person asked me, where do I stay? And at first, I have a wooden structure over here and back of the lighthouse. So as I took the guy at the other wooden structures, I took the person over there, and he asked me, where do I stay? And I told him, I'm building my room. I've never finished my room, so I can't take him over there. And he said, wow, you need to see my room. Maybe he can help me. So I took the person on the tour to where I'm building my room, and the structure was there with five stands with small wood. And the person asked me if I'm sure to finish this room, how much can I spend on that room? My brothers, what they are saying all is lie. I'm in Jamestown. I was born in Jamestown. I don't want to spoil the name of Jamestown. My family, my brother, all my kids are in Jamestown. I don't want to get a bad name of Jamestown. The person asked me, how much money did if I can use it to build my room. And I told the guy, if I had $200, I can finish my room. And the guy said, okay, that is all. But I didn't.
But it wasn't something that you ask him to give you money?
No, I didn't ask the guy to give me money because what I'm doing with the guy, at the end of it, you give me something.
Okay.
So I didn't ask the person. I didn't force the person to give me money by forcefully. And even when we finished the tour, the guy didn't even give me up to $100. He didn't give me up to, he gave me cedis. He didn't give me up to, the reason why I told the guy $200 is I converted the cedis to the dollars to him. But I didn't force the guy to give me or compulsory to give me $200. Because at the end of the tour, the guy will give me money. So viewers, I didn't force the guy to give me money. I didn't tell him to give me money. And I'm not in for bad name of Jamestown. I'm in for good name of Jamestown. I do so many things in Jamestown. I support a lot of kids in Jamestown.
When you told the guy, what was his response? What response did he give you? Did he promise you or did he?
No, the guy didn't promise me. He said what he's doing, it can get money for me.
Okay.
And past 3 years, 4 years, I've even ever heard about him. So the reason why, I don't know the reason why I'm seeing this video on social media.
When was this video taken?
3 years, 3 years ago. This video was 3 years ago.
So it's not like a recent or this year video or last year.
My viewers, this video is not a recently video. My viewers, this video is not a recent video. But all these things, I'm hoping someone is at back. It's only God who can judge what is happening. Because I don't know even when they were calling me scammer. I even don't know if I'm a scammer. I'm not sure that I'm going to scam $200. What am I going to use $200 to do? I need to scam something big money.
So this is a 3-year video that was done, not a recent video. And at the end of the day, the guy didn't give you the 200. And it's not like something that you personally asked him.
No.
But what did he promise you that he's going and will come back or will send you the money, or how did he go?
We actually do this kind of videos. People test us. They normally give us money, but they'll tell us that they'll be back.
Okay.
Sometimes coming back, they'll bring school supplies to support the school. So we are normal. So as these guys told me, you'll be back. I've done this video so many times to people. So if you also said you'll be back, I don't know. Maybe 4 or 5 years, you'll give me more than the money even he said he's going to give me. So, but I didn't force the guy to give me money to build a room because the room belongs to me. If 30 years, if I get money, I can complete my room. But I didn't force the guy to give me money to complete my room.
I think because the video went viral, the Ghana Tourism Authority Board came here with Mr. Tourism, Abeku Santana.
In Gamashie, our heritage buildings, it has a lot of tourist attractions because Ghana started from here as well, you know. And because we have a lot of tourist interest here, we also have a number of local gentlemen and women who are self-volunteers. They are tour guides, you know, and we think it is proper to address this situation. But we believe that it is time that we guide them in what they do.
What did they come here? When they met you, what did they say? How did they go?
They also came here because of the same issue. Because the same issue, and they are calling me a scammer. So they want me to explain the reason why they are calling me a scammer. So I explained everything to him, and I showed them what we are doing in the community. They even went to my school and saw what we are doing in the community. And most of the time, all the tour guides that come to Jamestown, they need to interview them. Everyone gets money out of bringing people to Jamestown. Ask them, what are they doing to support Jamestown? No one can tell you, this is what I do to support Jamestown. This is what I do to support. But we have an evidence to tell people what we are doing to support Jamestown. I'm telling you, my brother. Even when on this road, we have 2 tanks on the road. When tap is not flowing, 2 poly tanks. When tap are not flowing, people fetch water for free. Even on the right side, we have poly tank over there that people fetch water for free. At the same time, at the same time, come on, phoners. At the same time, we have people that comes in here. At the same time, we have people that when they come here, we tell them our problem. We have most of the street boys. We have most of the boys that They have mothers, but they cannot afford. So this guy, I've picked over 20 boys or 20 kids to
Father Campbell.
Yes, to him. That training them.
Foundation. Father Campbell SVD Foundation. Okay.
So I've even picked 20 people from Jamestown to him that they were training them, both boys and girls. So what they are saying about me, my viewers.
So what did they train them? Was that the one that you were referring? They trained them in beats?
No, it's different. That one is adult women.
Okay.
That one is Tikva.
Okay.
Tikva for life.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So that one is adult, but this one is just from 15, 13. Those who don't want to go to school again, you need to go there and learn something.
Wow. So if I'm getting you well, the tour guide that you are doing, the money that you get, at the end of the day, you end up putting it back into the society by helping some of the street children with your school, the water, free water, and all those kind of things, and other training. I want to ask you this question. When this video came out, how did it affect you?
I was very sad and I can never do anything. For the starting, I thought it's just a joke because friends and family was calling me, your video is going viral, what have you done? And they say you are a scammer. And I told all my friends, oh, it's only God who can judge. Because I've never scammed anyone. I don't know what is scam. If I want to scam someone, I'll never scam someone with small money. Because can't they see the scammers with big cars, with big monies? And me, if you even went to my bank account, I don't have even 5,000 in my bank account because I have kids that are always going to school. What I'm even saying is, just this today, one of my daughter went to school. He returned back home with sacking school fees. Wow. So that makes me sad. So before I was giving the money to myself, I curse this guy. I curse him. I curse him because it's making me sad. I'm on the street to watch my family. I'm not on the street to scam people. So before I give the money to my I curse him. Whatever he's doing, he'll never prosper in life. If people at his back and they feel I'm a scammer in Jamestown. I was born in Jamestown, grew up in Jamestown. I'll never scam anyone in Jamestown, I'm telling you. Anywhere I thought that they'll take me to, I'm proud of myself. I'm not a scammer. If I'm a scammer, I'll never scam someone with $200. No, the guy asked me, how much money can I use it to complete my room? And I told him, when I had $200, I can complete my room. He didn't give me the money. So I'm not a scammer. And I didn't even force him to give me. If he didn't ask me, I'll never tell him. Because we are on the tour. After the tour, you give me something. So my viewers, I'm not a scammer in Jamestown. And I'll never be a scammer.
All right. Adadu. Well, thank you for your time and then your patience also to share your side of the story with us. It's unfortunately, I'm just using this platform for you to explain and talk to other people. I don't know those who will be watching. I don't know where the video might go. But what would be your final words to the people that are watching us?
My viewers, Woodmire, I have nothing to tell you. You've never given us money to do a business.
But did he come here himself?
He has come here over like 5-6 years ago. He has come here 2 times. The day he came here, the next day he also came here. No one fight with him. No one chase him with stone. No one sees his camera. My brother, we are not here for bad name. We are here for good name. We are the chiefs. We are in front of the palace, the chief palace. Most of this place is a highway. We don't know who is passing. So we are not here for bad things. If we are here for bad things, like we've run away already. Because we have the police station is just around here. Just 10 to 15 minutes. The Jamestown police station is just around here. So we are not scammers in Jamestown. I was born in Jamestown. All my friends and family are here. So I'm not a bad person in Jamestown. My brother.
Atado. Ofane ntake yomo kraka baga. Enele ora don ake onabe ni waka munke bote around the way no feel no tomorrow. Ina be no feel. If truly from what you are saying and you know yourself, God is the best judge. Viewers, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I don't know what to ask again. I don't want to say again, but thank you for watching to the end of the video. My name is Nia, aka Gamashie. I'll come your way with another video. Until then, I see you. Ola Bawo. Peace out.